Today we're diving deep into why watchOS 26 won't update and the real fixes that work. Let's try to fix this. Step 1. Device compatibility. One of the most common reasons watchOS 26 won't update is hardware incompatibility. Apple has dropped support for older models. watchOS 26 only supports Apple Watch Series 6 and newer, Apple Watch SE 2nd generation and later, and all Apple Watch Ultra models. If you're using an older watch, the update will never appear, no matter what you try. Step 2. iPhone requirement. Your Apple Watch cannot update on its own. It fully depends on your iPhone. To install watchOS 26, your iPhone must be running iOS 26 or later. If your iPhone is still on an older iOS version, the watchOS 26 update will either be missing or fail during installation. Updating the iPhone first solves this issue instantly for many users. Step 3. Battery and charging. Apple requires the Apple Watch to have at least 50% battery and to be placed on its charger during the update. If the watch is not charging or drops below the required battery level, the update will pause or fail. Even if your watch shows enough battery, Apple's servers may block the update unless it's actively charging. Step 4. Storage space. watchOS updates require free storage on the Apple Watch itself. If your watch is full of apps, music, or photos, the update may download but fail to install. Clearing storage by deleting unused apps or media often fixes the issue immediately and allows the update to continue. Step 5. Restart both devices. Sometimes the problem isn't compatibility or storage, it's a temporary system bug. Restarting both the iPhone and the Apple Watch clears background processes that can interfere with updates. After restarting, the update often resumes or reappears in the Watch app. Step 6. Delete the update file. If the watchOS 26 update downloaded earlier but won't install, the update file itself may be corrupted. Deleting the update from the watch storage and re-downloading it forces a clean installation. This fix is especially effective when the update gets stuck on preparing. Step 7. Beta profiles and VPNs. If you previously installed an iOS or watchOS beta profile, it can block official updates. VPNs can also interfere with Apple's update servers. Removing beta profiles and disabling VPNs before updating resolves update failures that seem unexplained.